Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to film a quick little tutorial of how I get ready in less than 20 minutes. Yes, you heard it. I am able to get ready in less than 20 minutes. I actually went ahead and timed it so that you guys can see. This is my go-to look when I'm running really late or when I need to get out the door super duper fast. When I'm with my kids, on my days off. People at the counter where I work always ask me, how long is the process to get ready? And depending on what I did for that day, I'm always honest about how long I take to get ready. But whenever I say it only takes me like less than 20 minutes, literally, to do this, people do not believe me because I think everyone just thinks that we take like 3 years to get ready. But today I am here to show you that it is possible to get ready in less than 20 minutes. It did take me a little while to figure out what products work best for me, what was the best routine for me. I customized this routine to my preferences. I will definitely link all of the products that I used in this video in the comment section below. I will note that to minimize my get ready time, I used less products for several purposes. For example, my bronzer, which is my MAC Give Me Sun Skinfinsh, I used in my crease as well in the eye area. That will make a huge difference. It'll make you look more defined and just put together. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Without further ado, let's jump into the video. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me tutorial of how I get ready in less than 20 minutes. If you would like to see more videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me. And leave a comment down below. Let me know how you felt about this. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Callmeyesi. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.